Hello, welcome to Our Place in Sicily, and today we're going to be talking to you about the roof.
Again. As Matt said, we're working on the roof again. Right now we're standing in our future kitchen. We're getting an entirely different roof here. We're going to tell you about that as we work on it. But this week we had a fun addition to our roof. First of all, I think if you've watched last week's, you know that we got it closed up safely so that our soffitos, fresco ceilings, were protected.
That was good.
And this week we had a big delivery from or of what?
Of thermal insulating.
Yeah, they call them thermal covers.
Yeah.
Roof. We got more roof. So this is layer number. So there's a ceiling, and on top of the ceiling, there's
like a vapor barrier or something.
Well, there's wood, and then there's a vapor barrier, and then we put up this. They call it termocoperto. It's a thermal ceiling. In the U.S., I think this is just about what we would end a roof with. It's just like a metal roof, especially up in like Vermont and stuff where you want the snow to slide off. So we're going to show you the arrival of the roof and how they got a giant truck of big metal pieces that were, I don't know, they're at least 3 meters long, maybe pushing 4 meters, long enough that they fit one whole length of the side of the roof. So we've got them putting that on, and we've got most of that put on the main part of the house. And well, let's just show you.
Take a look.
Okay, so Matt, when the truck rolled up with the parts, you were surprised that they were going to be able to get those pieces up on that roof.
Yeah, I mean,
Tell me more.
My view was kind of obscured, so I couldn't really see it, but it's actually not that uncommon here to have trucks that have an articulated crane arm on it for deliveries. I just didn't realize how big the crane arm was on this particular thing, because it's parking out in the street in front of our house.
Yeah, but not up next to the house, like on the other side of the street.
Other side of the street, and I wondered, okay, are they just unloading it, and we're going to carry it inside? No, the arm is big enough to grab stuff and bring it across the street and drop it on top of our house.
Yeah. So they put it up on the roof in bundles. I think it was like 4 different bundles, and they sort of spaced them out along the roof so that the guys could not have to drag them all over. And now they have actually added this this wood trim along. Well, it's not trim. This wood along the pieces. This is going to be sort of what holds the tiles, because we're going to put all those old tiles back on. If we have any new tiles or we need new tiles, the new tiles will be underneath the old tiles. The top layer will look original, because we don't want to stick out. We don't mind standing out because it's a nice house, but we don't want to stick out because we did something weird.
Now, we are going to add some solar panels to the top, and I think in that case, we're not going to put the tiles underneath those. That'll just go directly onto the
exactly, and the tiles will be added on around that. Sure. So you can see up there that we don't have the wood on the entire roof yet. I think some of that will happen after. And we actually don't know why the metal roof isn't covering the entire roof right now, except that we think they might be out of pieces. There's only a couple more pieces up there, but it's mostly done. And yeah, it was another great week, and we appreciate you guys waiting a week for us to post this. They hadn't had put all the metal up yet and the wood, and so we wanted you to see something a little more interesting, like it mostly finished.
Yeah. No, it's been a solid week of progress.
So that's it from Sicily this week. Stay tuned, because we've obviously got a lot more roof to go, and stick along for the journey. Until next time.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.